Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn off messages request on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, and click on profile icon. Then tap on three line option. Okay, then scroll down, click on messages and history replace. Okay, just click on this option how people can reach you. Just tap on message request. Okay, two option, just tap on this option and don't receive request, just click to stop getting message request on Instagram. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.